Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Pradipta Rendra Pranata. You can call me Rendra. Today we are going to learn procedure text about how to operate rice cooker. How to operate rice cooker. First, you wash the cooking pot and make sure the inner side is clean. Second, measure the rice by using the measurement cup. Third, put the rice into the cooking pot. Make sure to give space for the rice, water, and the expansion. Fourth, rinse the rice so that we can remove the pesticide that might be present. Fourth, add some water into the cooking pot. Usually, we need to see the water is 1 centimeter above the rice surface. 6. Put the cooking pot along with the rice and water into the rice cooker. 7. Close the rice cooker lid and then plug the cable into the electricity socket. 8. Start the rice cooker by pressing the cooking or timer button. 9. Wait until the cooking process is over. Finally, open the lid and the rice is ready to be served.